Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to draw something about like this pattern, and pretty smartly, they're trying to use the six-sided polygon. The only problem with that is getting the two sides equal. I'm going to select all these and I'm going to right-click and turn them into a curve, but it doesn't really do that. But you can do this, but you can see once you get this, you've got to change this one to make it look like that side, and it just becomes really difficult. It's cool within itself, but the best way to create something like this is go to Object and get your Symmetry tool, create a new symmetry, and go with 6 sides or 6 symmetries. I like putting it in the middle. Doesn't really matter in this case. I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm just going to go from right there to right there. I'm going to take my shape tool and select them both, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to turn them both into a curve. And then when I do that, I can change this and I can change it higher and I can change this, and look at that. Then just say finish. Now you're still kind of in symmetry mode, but if you would just click off of it and fill it in with a color, now it's a new shape and you won't have that problem. That's a pretty cool shape and really hard to duplicate without the symmetry tool. Yes, there is other ways to do it, but nothing that quick. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman, and thank you for watching.